Hi guys, so today I have my June Sephora play, so let's see what's in it. So first let's get into the bag as not to spoil anything. So here is the bag this month. It's just a nice hot summer theme. First thing in here I would assume is the sample for this month. And this is the Marajó Haircare Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. These are just like little samples of hair stuff. Again, it's just an extra. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. I have actually tried this before and I really like it. It's an oil-based cleanser, so it does separate, but it does remove makeup really well. I'm not really into these kind of cleansers. I prefer their balm as opposed to this, but it's not bad. Okay, next thing in here is this Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. So this you're just supposed to apply to your damp hair, comb it through, and then style it. I use these kind of creams every single time I take a shower, so I will definitely use this. Okay, next thing is this Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I have this already, and I really like this setting powder. This is just a little itty bitty sample, but this is one of my favorite setting powders, so I will definitely use this as more of a travel powder, I guess. Next thing in here, ooh, look at that. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. We just got this exact product in the BoxyCharm this month, which I just filmed if you haven't watched that yet. But this is the same exact size, so I'm not mad to have another because this smells amazing. It's pistachio caramel scented, and pistachio is the best scent ever, so this is pretty great. Okay, and the last thing in here is a Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Queen Bee. I actually have the full size of this, so let me grab that and I will swatch it. Okay, so here is my full size one. I will just swatch it for you really quickly so you can see the shade. It's a nice mauve color. I really like this shade, obviously, since I have it already. But if I didn't, I would be really excited because I love this formula. It is kind of drying, but it does stick around a nice long time. And they are pretty pigmented. So there is Queen Bee. Okay, so if I didn't have any of these products already, I would definitely say this is a really nice box. I do have 4 out of 5 of the items already though, so it's not very exciting to me personally, but it is a really nice box. I will definitely use this after I'm done with the other one I got from BoxyCharm because this smells amazing. It's just amazing. I really like hair products. I will definitely try them. My hair tends to be kind of frizzy and dry, so hopefully one or both of these will help with that situation. The liquid lipstick, I will be giving this one away since I already have it, but I do love the shade and the formula. The Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover is really nice, so I will probably give this one away since I already have the other one, but it does work really well. And then the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I really like this, so I think this would be a really good size to take while traveling. Okay, so let's get into the little pamphlet we get with the products. First, as always, you always get your little 50 extra insider points with a in-store purchase. So if you are going to make one, I would definitely take the card with you. Okay, so here are all the products. Okay, for Cover FX, this is the Soft Focus Finale, an ultra lightweight loose powder that sets makeup for all day wear. For the Too Faced, it's an Endless Stunner, a long-lasting lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold, full color. Living Proof, oh the humidity. a frizz-taming styling cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing hair down. Clinique is Clean Like a Dream, a gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating skin. Sol de Janeiro is Glow for a Dip, a tightening and smoothing body cream that gives skin a radiance fit for the beaches of Rio. The Marajó Do You Believe in Magic? A hydrating shampoo and conditioner that nourishes hair without botanicals and rich butters. Let me know what you got in your Sephora Play. Sephora Play has a lot of variety in their boxes, I feel. So let me know what you got in yours, and I will see you in my next video.